If you're a real estate agent and you're wondering what should actually go in your newsletter to your database, here's the short answer. Not just listings. One of the biggest mistakes agents make treating their newsletter like a digital flyer. New listing, price reduction, sold, open house, repeat. And after a while, people tune it out because your database does not want constant stream of self-promotion. They want something useful, something relevant, something that reminds them why they should stay connected to you. A good e-newsletter should do three things. It should keep you top of mind, it should build trust, and it should create opportunities for replies, conversations, and referrals. So what should actually go in it? First, local market insight, not a boring data dump, not a huge paragraph full of stats that nobody understands. Just a clear, simple explanation of what's happening in the market, what it means for the average homeowner. What are prices doing? What is inventory doing? Are buyers gaining leverage? Are sellers still in control? Your job is to interpret the market, not just respond to it. Second, practical homeowner content. Things like how to prepare for a spring sale, what renovations are actually worth doing, how to downsize without feeling overwhelmed, what first-time buyers need to know right now. This kind of content works because it speaks to real decisions people are already thinking about. Third, personal connection. This is where a lot of agents either disappear or become too polished. Your database wants to know that there's a real person behind the business. That doesn't mean sharing your entire life. It means letting people see your personality, your values, your community involvement, or something meaningful happening in your business. It could be a local event, a client success story, a lesson from the field, something that feels human. And a fourth, a clear call to action. This is part that agents leave out. Don't just send information, give people a reason to engage, ask a question, invite a reply, offer something useful. Tell them what to do next. Because if your newsletter never creates action, it becomes background noise. A strong newsletter is not about looking busy. It's about staying relevant. It's about reminding your database that you understand the market, you communicate clearly, and you're someone worth referring. Now, if you're an agent trying to grow, this matters even more because your ability to communicate consistently is part of your brand. And if your marketing feels random, generic, or inconsistent, your business usually will too. That's one of the reasons I spend so much time building marketing systems that are designed to actually generate conversations, not just impressions, not just likes, conversations. So if you're an agent and you want to see examples of the kind of ads and messaging I use to attract business and stay visible, download examples of my ads. It gives you a practical look at how I position myself, my market, and how I communicate that creates a response. Because good marketing is not about doing more. It's about saying the right things to the right people consistently.